If you have custody of your child and you get deployed for Army service, can your ex get custody? That's a great question. My name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. You know, every effort is made in all courts with respect to all things to respect and protect the rights of servicemen and women who defend the country. And every effort is made to make sure that they don't get the short end of the stick all the while they're trying to protect our liberties. So there are certain rules about whether or not you can serve someone or sue someone when they're in active duty. What are the rules? What are the regulations? Certainly, if the court would make accommodation for somebody who's involved in a litigation yet they're deployed, those kind of things. What happens if you find out you're deployed? Can your ex get custody of the kid? You have the custody. You're supposed to have the custody. You've been sent to Afghanistan. Now what happens? Well, you have to understand, it would make sense for sure. Two things. Number one, you're not taking your kid with you to the front lines. Okay, that's clear. Number two, somebody's going to have to take care of that child while you're deployed. Now, should you lose custody of that child? Is it fair? I don't think the issue of fairness comes into play when we deal with people who are at war and conditions of war. I would say this: the court has to do what's appropriate for the child. Is it in the best interest of the child to have the child in the custody of an absentee person as opposed to simply changing the child to the other parent who's 3 blocks away and is ready, willing, and able to do the job? Obviously, it's in the best interest of the child to be parented by someone who's ready, willing, and able to do the job. So it's not that we're disrespecting the job that service people do, but we have to look at what's in the best interest of the minor child. That's going to be the overriding factor. Now, other things can happen that might impact this. If a person is in the military, for example, and they're called away, but they're called away for a very specific reason, and the tour of engagement is supposed to be 3 weeks, that's different. The court's not going to switch custody for 3 weeks and then switch it back. That's not what's going to happen. But if it's a long-term engagement or if it's an open-ended engagement, the court might be receptive to the idea that, we got to give some stability here, and we can't have the kid raised by a nanny. We can't do that. So in that circumstance, expect the court to make an appropriate decision that promotes what's in the best interest of the child. If you have questions about your case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.